Most people are using AI wrong and losing real money because of it. It's 2026, and AI is everywhere. The promise is huge: automate tasks, generate content, and save money. But most people don't realize, just using an AI tool isn't enough. It's like having a supercar but never taking it out of first gear. You're leaving a massive amount of performance and cash on the table. I've spent countless hours testing these systems, and honestly, I made these mistakes too when I was starting out. These aren't just small inefficiencies, they're costly errors that add up to thousands. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 most expensive mistakes people are making with AI, and how to fix them. Let's get into it. First up, using default prompts and templates without any changes. This is the most common mistake. You open a new AI tool, see the example prompts, plug your topic in, and hit go. The results are almost always just okay. And okay doesn't give you a competitive edge. Those defaults are designed to work for everyone, which means they aren't optimized for anyone. They're a starting point, not a destination. The fix is to give the AI context, constraints, and examples. Tell it who the audience is, what tone to use, and what rules to follow. Give it examples of what you like. A few extra minutes refining the input can save you hours of editing and produce a result that's 10 times better. The next mistake is failing to validate and fact-check the AI's output. We call these hallucinations. An AI can generate text that is fluent, confident, and completely wrong. It can invent facts, create fake statistics, and cite sources that don't exist, all with the same authority as true information. You can't just copy, paste, and publish. Making a business decision on a hallucinated statistic can cost you revenue, and publishing false info can damage your brand's credibility. The fix is simple. For critical work, add a quick human review or an automated cross-check with a reliable database. It's non-negotiable. Don't trust, always verify. Mistake number 3 is choosing the biggest, most powerful model for every single task. It's tempting to hear that a model like GPT-4 Turbo or Claude 3 Opus is the smartest, and decide to run everything through it. But that power comes at a premium price. You're paying per token, and these flagship models have the highest costs. It's like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. The fix is to match the model to the task. Use the powerhouse for complex creative writing or deep analysis. But for simple, high-volume tasks, like email drafts or summarization, a cheaper, faster model can do the job just as well. Optimizing your model choice is one of the easiest ways to dramatically cut AI costs without sacrificing quality. Next up, not tracking your costs, usage, and return on investment. This is like driving a car without a fuel gauge. You're moving, but you have no idea how fast you're burning through resources. With AI APIs, costs can accumulate incredibly quickly. A buggy script or an inefficient prompt can lead to a shocking bill at the end of the month if you're not watching. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. The fix is to set up simple dashboards to monitor your key metrics. How many tokens are you using per day? What's your average cost per task? And most importantly, what is the business impact? Is this AI workflow saving you hours of manual labor, which translates to real dollars? This allows you to spot runaway costs early and optimize your AI spend for the best possible return. And the number 1 most costly mistake, having no process for prompt testing and versioning. This is the single biggest ROI killer. You might have a great custom prompt that works well, but how do you know it's the best possible prompt? How do you know a small change couldn't make it 10 times better? Without a system for testing, you'll never know. The difference between a good prompt and a great one can be a single word, a change in sentence structure, or a different example. The only way to find these improvements is to test them systematically. The fix is to use A/B testing for your AI. Create 2 versions of a prompt, run the same task through both, and compare the results. You also need to implement version control for your prompts, just like developers do for code, so you can track changes and revert if performance drops. This is the key to unlocking exponential gains. So there you have it. 5 of the most common and costly mistakes people are making with AI. Every single one of these is fixable, and it starts with awareness. Being deliberate, measuring, testing, and being secure are the foundation for building something not just innovative, but profitable. Stop these mistakes and you'll start saving and making real money. Start by tweaking a prompt, then optimize your model choice, and build a simple dashboard. Each step builds a smarter way of working. If you want to keep refining your strategy, you're in the right place. For more AI tips to avoid costly errors, subscribe now. Thanks for watching.